Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be talking about crypto arbitrate, buying low from Europe and selling high in Naira. Please do well to subscribe and turn on the notification for fresh new updates. Let's go.
So today I'll be showing you an opportunity that helps you earn $7 every 10 minutes. Guys, this is completely on Bybit and this is a new one. Guys, so if you live outside of Nigeria or you have a friend out of Nigeria, this is an opportunity for you to earn lots and lots of money with your friend. Now, on your Bybit app, what you're going to do is simply come to this area where you find more. Okay, and everybody can do this. Anybody can actually do this. Even if you're in Nigeria, even if you don't live abroad, you can do this. Okay, click on more. All right, now once you have selected more, you are going to click on this area where you find buy crypto. Okay, now this is the first time I'm talking about this, and I believe that many people who are going to key into this will make a lot of money. Click on this area where you find deposit. Okay, now when you click on deposit, then click on this area where you find fiat. Now I know why I am taking it step by step, because some people might find it difficult to do all of this, but just follow the whole step. You understand how to, of course, make profit. Click on this euros. Okay, this is because I've been using euros. Okay, if you're new, see euros here. You can select euros on this place. So click on euros. Once you select euros, this is a place where you can deposit money, especially euros, inside your Bybit account. Guys, I'm going to show you the mistake I made initially that made me run into a loss, but I'll show you how to avoid that mistake. Please don't use this SEPA because their fees are 0.19%. Okay, if I'm depositing only 100 euros, if you use this 0.19%, it means that you will not have 100 euros when it comes in. You'll be having 97 or 98 euros, or maybe 96 euros. Use this easy bank payment, okay, which is just 0.08 fee. Is almost, in fact, you'll be getting 100 euros if you use the payment. So I asked my friend to help me deposit 100 euros using the bank payment method here, and he did. I got You have to click on these terms and then you click on continue. You find the payment details and your friend helps you do it, or if you can do it from Nigeria with a particular card that can pay in euros, you'll be having 100 euros, guys. You'll be having 100 euros inside your Bybit account. I'm going to show you the next step after you have gotten the 100 euros. Okay, you can use much more capital than 100 euros. You're going to make a lot of money. Now, once you have gotten the 100 euros, the next step is to go back to your Bybit page, like the front page of your Bybit. Now, I'm going to show you what to do. You have to click on this area where you find search. Just do as if you're scrolling down. Click on this area where you find search, this search space. Type EUR, which is for euros. Once you have gotten euros, now select EUR slash USDT, which is this one you find here. Okay. Once you select it, sell the euros for USDT. Okay. So you can see when you come here for the first time, there's nothing here. I want to sell my 100 euros. I have to type it here. You will see that you will be given 107.39 USDT. Okay, 107.39 USDT. You will now be having 107.39 USDT inside your Bybit account. All right. Now the next step is to sell your USDT and get back euros. Okay. Now click on home. Now this is the final stage, which I think it is the most easiest one. To sell your USDT and get back euros, click on the place I pointed my arrow, and then what you just do is to click on this area where you find buy crypto. Okay, when you click on buy crypto, you click on buy crypto again. Okay, when you click on buy crypto again, this is what you do. Okay, now this is where you're going to swap your USDT back to euros. Click on this area where you find sell. You are selling the USDT you have. Okay, now I've already changed this place to euros. Okay, it's a drop down bar, so you can change it to euros. Select the euros currency because you are interested in swapping it to euros. So to find euros, you have to select EUR, which is here. Okay, now we don't know how long this arbitrage will last, but I'm bringing it out right now because it is very profitable. Now, surprisingly, you can swap 1 USDT for 1 euros. Now remember, we have 107.39 USDT in our balance. You swap it using this rate of 1 USDT to 1 euros, you'll be getting 107.39 euros, which means you have made 7 euros in the process. Now I have just 2 USDT on this my convert balance, and you can see if I put in 2 USDT, you can see that I'll be giving 2 euros. You can see I can swap my 2 USDT for 2 euros, okay, because that is my available USDT balance on the convert area. Okay, you can swap 107.39 USDT, okay, to 107.39 euros. If you understand to this point, kindly give this video a like, because I know lots of people understand already, and you have made 7.39 euros in the process. Okay, selling it back to your bank is so easy. You can go sell it on P2P to your euros account, and of course this is super easy. Okay, and I think you can also do this for several other currencies, but trust me, euros is the one that's worked for us, and I think it is the one that can also work for you. Okay, so guys, this is an amazing opportunity, and if you don't understand this process, of course we just opened a consultation class where you can speak to me. Okay, the detail of that class will be in the description. We already created a WhatsApp account, so if you don't understand, you're going to be able to speak to me on phone, and I'm going to put you through all the processes. Now, remember that this is going to be a paid consultation, so we're already having so much calls, and you'll be able to pay for it when you come for the consultation class. But then this is so easy. You don't even have to do the consultation, because you can do all of this completely by yourself. Okay, now I'm just going to summarize what I've just said, which is just very easy. The first step is to click on this area where you buy. Just go back to the beginning and replay the video. Click on this area where you deposit euros. If you have a card that can deposit euros, which is perfect. If you have a friend that can do it for you, amazing. Okay, deposit 100 euros through the area where you have zero fees. Now go to the spot balance and convert your euros to USDT. Then you go back to sell your USDT to get more euros, and that is exactly how you do it. Then you cash out the euros to your bank account, which is a very easy and very profitable way to do it. So also remember that the amount of capital you're using depends on the amount of profit you have made. Since we made use of just 100 euros, 100 euros gave us 7 euros profit. Okay, 7 euros profit. If you're using around 1000 euros to do it, you'll be making 70 euros profit. Okay, now this is very safe, because you can see we use only Bybit. There is no way you have to send money to somebody. There's no place where you have to invest or anything. It is just making use of the currency differences to earn a lot of money for yourself, and the monies will be converted. You can even convert it back to USDT and leave your balance and leave your profit in USDT. Withdraw back your capital to your bank, and then you repeat the process. Okay, if you have people who live outside the country, it is a very good opportunity. You can earn with them. Okay, you can earn with them, and this is an amazing way to do all of this. So you can share it with your friend, share this video to your friend, and explain the process to them, and both of you can actually carry it out to make some more profit for yourself.